tinggalin sweet Japanese ya. I don't know.
For you guys, this is your friends design, right? Are you proud of your friends? You got really talented friends. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Brian. How about you, Aki? How do you feel now? Oh, happy. Thank you, guys. Yeah. Okay, now I think it's time almost time to do the fashion show, yeah. Yeah. Be ready and then do your best. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. You already know what the grade 4 until grade 6 are doing at the moment, and then I think they are ready to do their best to go up graciously in Batik and the runaway stage in mini.